So, hello everybody. My name is Olga Korkishko. I am a project manager in Agility, and today we will talk about the CiviCRM hosting built on AWS, why it's important, how it can help our customers, how can be a solution for NGO, and what's our view of AWS as a partner in providing hosting services. So I will start my presentation. Give me just a moment. So our idea of hosting and creating hosting services was built on the idea of helping organization to have their CiviCRM and help them create the environment where they can't avoid the concern about having their own server, build their server, spend time and effort on finding the right solution on CMN and provide them our hosting and give them opportunity to see how even how CiviCRM could match their requirements. So during this webinar, we'll have the presentation. I will show the example of customer environment on our hosting, and also will show the functionality on CiviMobile, and we will have the Q&A session. So let's start with the main question, why AWS? Many of you I hope know what AWS stand, what the service they can provide, and our idea using AWS was built on their security, their layers of surveillance they provide, the data protection, identity and access management, infrastructure protection, threat detection, and continuous monitoring. They are reliable infrastructure. They are built on the extensive global infrastructure. They have the dozens of global cloud infrastructure that provides customer the several data centers around the world. So even if one area is under attack, the data is protected and can be stored in another area. So they claim that they have 81 availability zones within 25 geographic regions around the world. Also, the main advantages that we found in AWS in terms of hosting, creating hosting for our CiviCRM customers is the scalability, elasticity of their infrastructure. For each of the customer, we can provide the dedicated area with their customized technical customized resources, and we can have the suitable price for the services we are using. There is flexibility in what language code language we can use, the server, the environment, even environment we can use. So this is very good for us because we want our customers to have full experience and have no limitation of using our hosting provider. And one more thing that is as good as we using AWS is the easy of use of their services, the straightforward management of their services, and of course their their reliability. So how our services is built. First of all, customer fills out the form. I will show you later on our my CiviCRM.org. Then our database is updated with new record. My CiviCRM.com database is updated with new record. After that, the AWS client service checks database and launch new customer configuration. Which includes new customer database configuration, Amazon load balancer listener and target group configuration, configuration file system and access points of system in Elastic container, and file system access points in Elastic system on AWS. Every configured service for new customer is attached to AWS Elastic. Every new configured services for customer is attached to Elastic Container Service. After that, the new CiviCRM services actually is launched. The health check is launched and is having this check will update the status of the website of customer, and new services is launched. You can check it on my sites in my CiviCRM.com. This is the short description. For sure, this configuration is more sophisticated. This is like text description in the nutshell of what is look like. And right now it's working like that. For every CiviCRM that installed on AWS, it's installed on Drupal CMS, and we offer the search kit. It's very useful for advanced searches, creating research criteria. It's right now it's the top product recommended by CiviCRM communities. So we are providing our CiviCRM hosting with this extension. And Mosaico, that are widely used for building templates for emails, and CiviCRM mobile for sure, because we be sure that we need to have CiviCRM on our mobile. That's why we enabling CiviCRM for every customer that will be hosted on our server. And shortage for creating a better view for CiviCRM. I wanted also to emphasize that our servers are hosting on instance that located in Poland and in Europe. So that's mean that we understand the risk of hosting our servers within the Europe. It's very important for our customers. Okay, let me move to. So right now, we are offering basic package, and you can see the resources available for every customer. Advanced package will be used on demand, and we are providing the customization of each system that will be hosted on our server, and it will be provided by request. Right now, as an offer, we offer you 1 month of free trial to see how you can use CiviCRM, if it matches your requirements, try our resources, try our hosting, and we want to receive your feedbacks. We want to see how we can improve, what we can add to provide you better user experience. And I wanted to talk briefly about what CiviCRM modules and extensions we are offering for our customers. So CiviMobile, this is our native application. We want everybody to have better experience using CiviCRM, and created this CiviMobile extension for our users to have CiviCRM on their mobile. Also, CiviCalendar goes with the CiviCRM as our own extension for better event case activity planning. It helps to show activities case and events, sort them by dates or sort them by contact, to have a better view of what is planned for your month, week, or for the next day. Mosaico is widely used by us, by our customers, to create the templates for emailing. For every installation, we recommend to use Mosaico because it's very easy and it's very straightforward in its implementation. For advanced permission usage, we recommend related permissions. For example, you need some specific permissions, you need some specific configuration. This extension will help you to implement the right functionality within the permission management. Also, our newest release is Time Tracker that helps to manage project within the campaigns, create projects, create tasks, assign performers, have them log their time, and to see statistics of log time and work. It's especially very useful for organization that track their volunteers, track their work in regards of some projects. And Civi Rules is one of the most important extension, in my opinion. It will help you to create criteria. For example, if you want to send the happy birthday email for your members, it will help to create the criteria, sort your contacts, and send them happy birthday. Sorry, could you please be more specific about automation in Civi? Okay, so right now I will pause for a moment with my presentation and will show you how to start hosting in our system. For this, okay, thank you. Yes, Civi Rules is very great in optimization every aspect of your work in CiviCRM. Okay, So previously, I signed in to the mycivicrm.com. This is my account. This is how it's looked. So I'm going to packages, have try free, have my name, my email pre-populated. So here, while typing website domain, you should choose the lowercase and avoid special signs. So I will and let me you can choose your logo. I will not do it because I haven't prepared it, but you can choose your photo and review your contribution. Check is everything okay and continue. So this will launch the whole process I have described while I was presenting. In the meanwhile, I have my already created CiviCRM. So approximately time of enrolling new website is up to 15 minutes. We will not wait. I already have created my company, my site. So the same, here it is my mycivicrm.com account. I have already active site, so I will click on it and already have my company. I show it for them, I name it for demo, and let's go through one of the let me show you how it's look inside. Oh, here's why we're using shortage. It makes CiviCRM look more neat, as I'm saying. Oh, I created a couple of contribution page. As you can see here, we have a donation, contribution page, we have CiviCRM events, and we have the membership. Everything was configured through CiviCRM. Everything is working. It's not looking like it should be, but it's like example what you can do while preparing for the webinar. You can see here as a contribution, I already worked add some contribution types and add some statistic for that. Also created events and have have contacts and participants registered for that. Also have memberships and available members. As a part of this presentation, I also wanted to show you that your users can type the URL that provided in your with your CiviCRM and see the page, have the contribution. Give me just a second. So I will register for events. Okay. So I have registered for event, and right away when I'm going to see my events dashboard, I see that it's already have written my participant into the event at least as the participant. So the same will go to the to the donation. I will create contribution. For example, let's do 50. So now we have the dummy payment processor, but this was configured to show you that we can connect the multiple payment options for your contribution page, to your membership page, and event, even for the payment for event fee. I will, for now, for the testing purposes and the demonstrating purposes, I will choose that I will send payment by check. Okay, confirming and checking again our contribution. So everything went fine. I have contribution, it's paid pending. Before I will confirm that I have received the check, and I can change the contribution to the complete with the check number. And the last one, I will apply for the membership. So I want to be a collaborator. I can enable the renew my membership automatically, check or uncheck. I will show you later how I made it. All this I'm showing to you to show that CV hosting have no difference with your on-premises CiviCRM installation. It provides more flexibility in terms of not keeping your server on premises and keeping it with us. So reviewing my contribution, approving, and returning to my CiviCRM to see contribution, see member dues, also pending. So while I was doing it, I received 3 emails that confirming to my email that confirming my that I have new participant registered, I have new contribution, and I have new member. But it's all were done here, the membership types. I was made them here. I gave option to auto renew to each type. Also, I created, so let me demonstrate. Right now, I have here 78 records of contacts, and I also added here 2 managers for my organization. And I will show you one of them. So I logged as a manager. I gave this manager limited permissions. You can also do it. So as you can see, my manager sees only contacts and can create mailings. And in terms of contacts, I also added additional layer to the permissions. I added ACL, so this manager sees only dedicated group of contacts. So as you remember, my uh, contacts list was 68, and this manager sees only 14 records. And I will show later the ACLs that I created for this manager. And as example, I created a manager with the with wider permission list. So this manager has the bigger, the broader list of permissions. And this manager also has restrictions in what group of contacts he can see. You can see it's only 20 records. So I will return to you can see you can add the ACLs for managers. You can manage not only permissions, but the additional layer of permission and ACLs. It's also available for your company as a manager 1 and manager 2. Okay, and now I can, give me just a moment, I will connect my CiviMobile to demonstrate you how it works on CiviMobile. So as you can see, this is my profile, and as you can see, this is for webinar, mycivicrm.com. This is my company I created. I am logged in by administrator. And I'll show you the contributions, all available for administrator. The summary of contribution, you can see events, see all participants. Also here. And all members. Associates. As a part of this, I can see the membership card and see the pending, also pending memberships that I need to add a check and transaction ID. So as an administrator, you will have a possibility to use CiviCRM and full potential of CiviCRM. And also, I will show here my managers. So my manager level 1 is very limited access. As you can see, he can't have the access to the contributions, only contacts, and the limited number of contacts that I limited by ACLs and permissions. No surveys available for this manager. And manager. This manager has possibility to see contributions, to see events, to have contacts available with ACLs and permissions, and have wider list of permissions. This all just to demonstrate how you can use your CiviCRM within our hosting provider. Okay, I will stop sharing. That's mainly it. So what I wanted to show you in our today's webinar. So I'm open to any questions that you can have, and any suggestions, any improvements. We would like to hear it from you, for you as a part of our community, as the users of our hosting. We'd like to hear your feedback of what is missing in your opinion, what extension you want to see, what functionality would be great to see in our hosting and make it better, as a better experience of using our CiviCRM hosting. Yes, if you have will customers that can be hosted somewhere on the American. It right now it's built to host in Europe. So yes, basic plan, advanced plan, any customization plan offers backup and automatic version update. For us, Drupal was the obvious choice because we trust this CMS, we have the wide experience, good experience with it, and this was like the better solution for hosting, for hosting. This is about the website. So we can create the contribution page, as I showed you, my simplest one. It was created by CiviCRM form, and it can be customized on your color scheme and your design. So yes, my answer yes, but we need to work with you to customize CiviCRM forms for your color scheme, for your view. Move the buttons around, have the better color choose and wording. Yes, if you have questions, you can, or you have additional, you need some discussion of anything any concerns, any customization, you can email us. The addresses is on your screen, and we can arrange a call and discussion about and discuss your requirements. For your issue, we can have can check. Please send your email address, and I will check why it's not working. Maybe it's not enabled yet. Make some. Yes, you should register for mycivicrm.com. Yes, mycivicrm.com. In just a second. You should register for here for mycivicrm.com and see my sites, and then you should have the active package, active site. Okay, so let's switch for your problem. Let's switch to the emailing, and we will investigate your issue. Thank you. Okay, any other questions, concerns? Okay, thank you. For now, I'll finish my presentation. Thank you for your time. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for joining our community. And I hope you will find the best solution for your CiviCRM and join us and have the best experience using CiviCRM on our hosted services. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.